EddyAcademy.com to learn and play thousands of fun activities with Eddie the elephant.
Start with seeds so small and bright. Plant them right, not too tight. Soon your garden wakes and swells. Grow your best, then pick and sell. Seeds to garden, garden to sell. Watch them sprout and feel so well. Little by little, watch the magic begin. From tiny seeds to garden win. Choose your seeds, be wise and bold. Dream your garden green and gold. When you harvest, ring the bell. Pack your basket, time to sell. Seeds to garden, garden to sell. Plant, then water, then excel. Try, create, and share as well. From simple seeds, great stories tell. Every seed's a start, you see. Your garden grows with care and glee. Count your fruits, now you can tell how seeds and garden help you sell. Seeds to garden, garden to sell. Step by step, you do it well. Grow together, learn and play. Make your garden shine today. Seeds, garden, and selling too. So much fun for me and you.